We just crossed $200 million in ARR. This is a huge milestone for HeyGen, but the real story is the people behind it. More than 30 million people around the world use HeyGen to create, teach, sell, train, and communicate in ways that used to require full production teams. Creators are scaling themselves. Founders are becoming their own media channels. Global teams are speaking to customers in their own language. And today, 85% of the Fortune 100 use HeyGen. None of this happened by accident. Right now, most of AI videos racing in one direction. Generate more scenes, more clips, more spectacle. The internet is filling up with content nobody asked for, and trust is getting harder to find. From day one, we made the opposite bet. From the beginning, we made a very intentional choice. We're not building a machine for AI slop. We're building AI video centered on you and your identity. Video that looks like you, sounds like you, and helps you reach every audience you care about. That's why we own our technology stack end to end, from our website and mobile apps, all the way down to our proprietary, industry-leading models like Avatar 5. This allows us to deliver the highest quality videos at the lowest cost and build faster. Over the last 6 months, we shipped 63 launches, including Avatar 5, our HeyGen MCP, and Hyperframes, our open source framework for creating video as code. I believe AI video won't be defined by who can generate the most content. It will be defined by who helps people communicate with the most trust. To every creator, founder, marketer, educator, developer, and team using HeyGen, thank you. This milestone belongs to you. The future of AI video will be personal, global, useful, and human. And it will help everyone, everywhere, free their story.